Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to make your very own photo frame. This is a fun and budget-friendly DIY project that will not only add a personal touch to your home decor but also make for a perfect gift. So, let's get started. Step 1. Gather your materials. The first thing you'll need to do is gather all the necessary materials. For this project, you will need a piece of cardboard, a ruler, a pencil, scissors, glue, a decorative paper, and of course, your favorite photo. Step 2. Measure and cut. Using a ruler and a pencil, measure and mark the dimensions of your desired photo frame on the cardboard. Make sure to leave a little extra space around the edges to create a border. Now, carefully cut along the marked lines to get your frame. Step 3. Decorate. Next, it's time to add some decoration to your frame. Take your favorite decorative paper and cut it into the same size as your frame. You can choose any pattern or color you like to match your style. Once done, use glue to stick the paper onto the frame. Step 4. Add your photo. This is the fun part. Take your chosen photo and place it on the back of the frame. Use some glue to secure it in place. You can also add a small piece of tape on the corners for extra support. Step 5. Finishing touches. To make your photo frame look more polished, you can add a layer of Mod Podge or clear varnish over the entire frame. This will not only give it a glossy finish but also protect it from any damages. Conclusion, and there you have it, your very own DIY photo frame. This is a great way to display your cherished memories and add a personal touch to your home decor. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more creative DIYs.